Hi, this is Anthony Hardy with Jefferson Davis Community College. This is one of the series of videos that we're providing to assist with the transition from our old email system, Scalix, to our new email system, Google Apps for Education. In this series, we will talk about the setup for your mobile devices. The easiest way to set up your phone is to watch some of the videos on Google, and we're going to show you how to get there and let the video play so that you can either watch the video on your own or you can watch the video right now while we're going through this training session. The easiest way to get to the videos that Google has provided is to use the Get Gmail on your mobile phone link, email that is already provided for you. Once you open up that email, you're going to see a different version of all the different devices that are supported, many different phones, and you're going to see a link that you can click to get Gmail for your phone. Let's click that link. It opens a new tab for us, and right away we're going to see that you can get Gmail right on several different kinds of phones. One of the things that we want to emphasize is that there are two separate ways to access your Gmail. Number one, you can use your web browser that's built into your phone to be able to access the Google interface. That will allow you to have all your functionality with the separate conversations, with stars, etc., etc. The other way you can access Gmail is by using Google Sync. Google Sync will automatically sync not only your email to your phone, but it will also sync your calendar and or contacts if you choose to do so. Now, I highly recommend using this feature if you have a data plan that will support the amount of data that's going to be passed across there, and if you have a phone that has a data plan. If you have an iPhone, if you have a Droid, you most certainly can use Google Sync. It also works on Blackberries. Let's start with the most basic feature, the most basic capabilities, just to watching the video on using regular Google email with your phone without setting anything up at all, by just using the built-in browser and your internet access on your phone.
This is the new Gmail for mobile. Gmail for mobile allows you to access your Gmail account on your mobile phone's web browser. To get started, just visit gmail.com in your phone's browser and log in. This web app provides you with the familiar Gmail experience. I can view emails and expand them to see the threaded conversation view. You can see labels and store messages in Gmail for mobile as well. We've also updated the user interface so it's easier to search your Gmail. A new feature that we've added is the floaty bar. It allows you to perform batch actions, such as archiving multiple conversations at once. It stays with you at all times so you can easily perform actions, no matter where you are in the inbox or in an email. For easy access to your Gmail, create a home screen link. Just click on the plus button and select Add to Home Screen. This way, you can access your Gmail straight from your home screen, quickly and easily. To try Gmail for mobile, visit gmail.com in your mobile browser.
Okay, so now we have seen that one video. Now let's take a look at how we can get information for the sync version, where we can sync where we can view not only our email, but also have our calendar and contacts. So we can scroll to the bottom of this same page and click Google Sync. And here's another video. Let's see what it has to say for us.
Welcome to Google Sync. Sync is a service that allows you to synchronize your phone's built-in address book and calendar with your Google account. Once you set up Sync on your phone, it will automatically update your phone's contacts with contacts from your Gmail account. Sync will also download your Google Calendar events to your device. Sync is a two-way service, which means you can add, delete, or change calendar events or contacts information on your desktop or on your phone. Whenever you do this, your other device updates wirelessly. This means that you don't have to physically connect your phone to your computer. Instead, all the synchronization services occur in the background, over the air. This way, your contacts and calendar are always in sync, no matter where you go or whatever you're doing. Because Sync works by backing up your info to your Google account, your data is safe, even if you drop your phone in a pool. Adding Sync to your new phone will restore your address book and calendar. Google Sync supports the iPhone, BlackBerry, Windows Mobile, and Symbian platforms.
Of course, they don't mention their own Android platform there because this video came out prior to that, but of course they do support the Android platform automatically. Now, if you want step-by-step instructions, you can see here the Read Setup Instructions link, and this will go through the specific instructions that you're going to have. One thing I'm going to recommend to everyone is they turn off push unless they have an unlimited data plan. It's very important that you turn the push off. If you do not do that, it will constantly beep you every single time an email comes into your account. You may also not wish to sync your contacts. That's up to you. Some people don't want all of their contacts coming into their account. It's a fairly simple setup process. When you enter in your username, as it's showing you here and here, you'll want to make sure you use the full new email address, which is your username at warhawks.jdcc.edu. The server still is m.google.com. That is important to recognize, and that the username is your full long new email address, username at warhawks.jdcc.edu. If you have any problems setting up your Google Sync on your phone or by accessing your Google account once you have been migrated, please call the JDCC Help Desk and we'll do everything we can to help you. However, this is not a 100% supported service, and so we can't give you priority support for this. But we will do everything we can in the time frames that we have available to assist you with accessing your email on your mobile device. Thanks for listening to this very brief session on how to set up Google on your mobile phone. Again, if you have any questions, please contact the JDCC Help Desk.